Abusuafo I am Asamoah makwaba biom edeba Xposed G. Xposed G yesi no Ghana and beyond. When you say enanope ya jaho na de bechi ye be social media on Asamoah's own social media page on Facebook. And yenya say ni contractor on a Frimprince production e wono terminate. Na termination ni no it includes some nine music. Nine music no ni mabodi na mafro Pentecost sorry akoko bonko kroko a couple of songs are emanu ye hit ema me de ho report about abobosa anum ni na but way and on say me de me say ensem no say ni tibia ye de bebro. This is a breakdown or more details onto this issue. First place, Asamoah any Frimprince aye juma for 22 good years. Asamoah Shasiye no watunyum a dedicate Ediama former President John Adekun Kufuor. There was no issue. To the sense that wabonyum bipo Ediama ye papa or Tisu President Akufuor wabonyum Ediama no. And Udim say only though or ye gospel musician, she has been a bit affiliated to the politics. Aman and say but declare Obianim say yes, she's affiliated and now the new politics do with what she wants. And then the contract near terminating no contract ni the social media account crown. Ye be terminate and you no be hodi account ni bio. And shows be obey. And then the first question ye be nkofo ebisa because ye ni na ye ni the reason you say we breaching contract niti and contract to mu say ye breaching enne no wa ye bi pen a ye bubu ye ni aye den eguso enifo nkofo abubu meni eguso e wo issue no so omo person mo che say contract no ya management hu a omo so na wa ya kasa na etietie but this time around ya terminate contract no and ye bisa say Onipa oni na ye juma 22 good years. Is it so reasonable? Eye nyansem se onipa we no obaji ni Facebook account efiri nsem. Oji Facebook account efiri nsem a na why na be control sa account no. Na enu twe se we lose that followers no. Na che se emfaso oni wo sa contract no na akosi sen. You have been good together with this person. It isn't much necessary to say any power. I will need ye jumano. Uber Gini Facebook account, a free one. Now coming back to it, and then a fine would you be a room? I don't know how a omo year contract no. But to know say ye bisa say Asamoah. Them a woni go for sign contract no. Now who a lawyer there? And now how were you signing it? And now because now Brabon send your person esino and you went in for any contract just like that. Because contract what have you and you might we hits ni na ya Jeff from him and all these 9 songs. Oh show me previous video and me people say di we na. Sa 9 videos see ni na. Mami eno na man I hit. Sa 9 videos see eno so na yi ni pie. And now it is in the copyright possession of these people. Yan chim yan ni hwe. And it is hitting back at air. Do contract no ma have no a check. But na mami owe and how was she signing this contract? According to the extent say the social media account cry or jai cry Frimprince never controls the social media account. How is it? Like Obibeka say no ni ma die no tumi tro dia me tumi kire. But can Obibeka say was she an illiterate and then was she ignorant about the contract that she was signing? This is another issue. Though musicians Asamoah in America. Yen ya Bema Black Sheriff buy. You should so buy on any management but ye bisa say artists na mo honum na anyuntofo a mo bonyum both in gospel and in the secular world no. Say mo sign contract, how do you go by it? Is it because you want unity? Then the management want to take advantage of you? Na akone sa na ba ne sa. na bia bon say o sign contract o hwe wo common say na wo pese wo so family didi wutrim enti bibia wo contract nso na wa accept ne saa. It happens between Family and Ogidi Brown to the extent say bedu baby cry Ogidi Brown actually say Family tinika almost about $20,000 and the Family so pen one or the otuae utimo say Family share contract or sign na emboa no because ebia nya ni bre o obi be ka se obi na boa no na so tumu say no adwuma na o ye na de na do hu say man hwe ye na me ni adwuma we ko be 10 years baby o say me du no sika no me manage no obey sikeni ajame isu me na me kita talent no enu na ya nyoma nkofo enhwe en place this and consider we and sign on sign contract and this goes with the artist and the management in so no. The question is say do we now discover be peja obi but can we say onipa no enyo onkita talent and can we konkofa no dan wo hwe bible mu ba onyankopon ko say me onyankopon me ni kwasea enante itu onipa kra wo abrabom na mfa so oni nso a obi enu wo no be na de obey den or no be nante iti do na okite scam sikaniti ena nipa ne baba ye uma aba be hye wase baka hu se talent ni ye talent it is sika with talent no it will groom for the person to become person because obi enu obe invest obe make sure say o invest in sika to ade amfaso ni so it yes money nkofo kwa contract mususu kwa contract no in a way be benefit mu kwa because there is so much where obi be have a contract at the end of the day contract no emfa some ye den eba obi abedi ni de pepepe but the be wa mostly no artists ni be prenaya people who come from the poor background people who are suffering people sadio we ekoso bebre even with workers and the employees obu o hwe se talent eduma we owo mu no or talent no ba ka sin me wa passion it was some yellow na me ye and at the end of the day say na back at least for 22 good years there should be a big consideration and then I am mama than Asamoah be ya epema ebe hitting even social media account na ye den they are still upcoming artists that they can be raised high than Asamoah send your buyer no or buy and san and the time to be true right now they are regarding as one of the old musicians because obi and feel said than Asamoah in area because nimra no buy in the trim but yes she's keeping being relevant at least what the emphasis will be about when you do so over to imagine you no cry more consider say she can perform those songs of somewhere go 22 if I saw wunya onipa wo de wunya but other people mutumi no obi have ennum to na ebia we are signing contract within 3 years because your black share if you are there way me bufu ye say oh no e wo mu say onye ska and the black share if sika contract to sign ye wo show mu credit and the long run when you fame but I'm sure sika no be affect no who read the contract to sign ye kra say sika no odwen wan say na wo sign sa contract no at least your artist you my own grateful to the managers and your managers so much treat your artist bad yes sir but come on sika ye sika o but eto de be ma sika said at the end of the ye hwehwe no this is what we should be talking about you understand fine akosi say no what's the issue ba say ya then somebody picture ne be to ho e contract termination no aye ni na ye nim no ye hwe nim say on both sides ba be check the reason they terminated that contract though in the way they are trusted breaching but what brought about the breaching fine now enya me nko na make asa because me ade a me dwen ho the long distance am signing contract we now right now na contract ni ye problem no eno na me pese me hwe you understand and a contract na ba be say na ya titi ni pa social media account and I say no say no social media account no go too far at least she should even leave and say that I am being appreciated you understand fine and no issue ni buy no social media for arante papa now under Dana Samuel's post this is the first comment that came about yenu ya bema ye friend no berema Kwame Owusu beko Xposed die won say na say I to say yate commented so Facebook comment and Instagram comment association post bi ba to be to be share post na no aga say no say the post it but make share comment Ohona obu say ye and conform ideas for Ghana papa. One, let's go with this first commenter. Tidokan very much kwame owusu beko baby bia obi a ai uni aba male mo ele ken kwame me read the commenter who post here that na Asamoah page na ase e the amount. Or say I don't get it. If he did this because she is into politics, then he got it wrong. In as much as she is into politics, politicians from both sides still enjoy her music and even attend the Abba Father program. Sound too harsh though. Now so Dinah Samoa, I and the signature ten say Adam bread. Hey, signature mu guy pani. Yen you be my commenter all men in answer to say said Dinah because of being him the ama you see you preaching by your ma reason preaching him. I just say when you preach to be actually again. What you say a politics in Tina or terminate contract no cry. Or still program Emma big people, politicians but nas here because of even politics or then why then Akushimuno. Now so Osha termination contract anymore. Yeah, ma made that Asamoah said what sign part muse. Why any see nature ten pa hey when you see nature more then that guy pa. And I ya owusu agimandria. I say, hey, should I say Ghana every day it is topic or issues. God bless you, Mr. Frimprince, for holding my Asamoah down for all this year. But burning bridges like this isn't necessary. If you ask me, at least you guys started on a good note. And even if she's done something wrong, it shouldn't go down like this. This is not love. This is not love God spoke about. Let peace prevail. Just say, you have my head, you say, you have my Frimprince, and you'll be on the production be called into contract. And money lasted this long. It is a Frimprince, what to my hoodie than Asamoah for this longer. And you Nyankopon in shroud. But you have gone below the belt. Work off too much. Termination of contract, the normal church and what thing. Because at least this is not what God said in the Bible as we should let love prevail. It is any come or say, Muma Sumbi and Yade and Tina. And an America, Minya Bema Richmond Hammond, Pato Rich Poco. As a rich foolish contract with this, that you won't keep her Facebook page and song for what? As a rich foolish contract with this, that you want to keep her Facebook page and sang for what? Even if you wrote it, she did the vocal performance and deserved to have some right. Just a bit news or dream was na just say me the man me a church on me a boy me a church on they say me you na ma me hate ni agye fim say enti ye nua be ma Richmond Paco Rich kire say we die nyansa nim Paco Rich e bebia wo bia me kire wo say enti na eye contract no Frimprince aha no o hwe ni sika obenya eye contract enti na contract signing e wo mu no do o to nyamenyom anso obi na di ni sika aba e na omu didi ho enti na e contract obi akọ deal because ohwe football mo kra Hazard ko ball Real Madrid that one bobo yi bi kra no edu baby ya kire wo contract mu say so omu win Champions League Chelsea benya $3 million bonus nini na wo ho onu so awan she go papa bia Real Madrid so scale contract na kan Chelsea benching $3 million. So contract there, everything entails with it. Now me kasubio Kobe Express say, do you know something? Kobe Express said, do you know something? This woman is now acting strangely because the Asamoah we used to know from the past is not what we know today. Frimprince, well done if you didn't terminate the contract with her. She might destroy our gospel and turn it into hate life because this woman is slaying for Christ and Casa. Hey, assemble ni. Hey. She said, I know the church say Frimprince and terminate contract here. And the assembly by thing because yeah, mommy say you will sleeper. nanka first no send your this spirit etonyum no na say enye saa no this spirit near den etonyum yenua ba oba bi eso say when your chill kakra o say at her age if she doesn't lift a finger again or every production house refuse to work with her in POA, she wouldn't beg to eat. If we are saying so, na yedi ko ne kokoti ne we dey say we are no ordin. If we are saying so, na yedi ko ne kokoti ne dweye. Okay. Or chere say if we are saying so, na then ni kokoti ne dweye. We dey think just so not move the Frimprince there we ye kokoti ni Dawson then ni Dawson contract ya otemneti se be nyanse bia enim sa na ye nua ba obani e kire se wa koto so say as someone who has had encounter with both Sis Dinah and Mr. Frimprince, I should say I am very disappointed with the management. All I am wondering is if Dinah signed a contract with a lawyer, because I know how Mr. Frimprince controls Evangelist Dinah. Even her hairstyle were chosen by Mr. Frimprince. He is very controlling because the lady is illiterate. I witnessed all this when they came to the USA and they were staying with us. How can you keep someone's name? Did she marry you? Is it your surname? Ghana, shaking my head. I won't block you yet. I will keep reporting this account and the YouTube account until all the account is taken out. Enti ye ma me sewa akoto so kire se onu di abrochimemu na owo ewo USA na we hu se no papa Frimprince no omo betina ne nchen ewo USA no papa ni ye so controlling to the extent say dan Asamoah twini kra ono kire etwe o so ye den oye enti se dan na terminate account omo terminate contract na on the at all costs no obe den obe report sa Facebook account na Frimprince AJF dan Asamoah se no obe report ya to say be block sa account no na empo o kire se no feel say no mo sign dan Asamoah contract no e bia dan Asamoah no illiterate e no sign sa contract no because sa contract na de so obe nipa ni send him kra obi say send him na ye wo dia na kire se eye na shim papa yenua bema anek I said this is foolishness. Please, what that woman I said this is foolishness, please. That woman is an eye of God. So be very careful when dealing with her, especially trying to bring her down. If you take time and your so-called production firm will go down forever. May I talk you? Me, I talk you. No, the ochire say we dey nyansa bi anim. Mami o nyankopon aniwa. Say na dan nyankopon ka che David say David ye naniwa no. Ai, o da na koma so no. Dan Asamoah so da nyankopon akoma so say nti say production na anye careful pa. Say no mo bringing it down. God will also deal with them. To omunye very very careful. Yenua Boga Asamoah so say the man is NDC person and unhappy with an Asamoah association with MPP party. Please take them to court to also restrain them from benefiting from your work. The song and all audios are all yours. They can't use it while restricting your Facebook and YouTube account. Just said an Asamoah account in Okra. Just said Facebook and YouTube account in Frimprince AJF for the same. And Obi so chere said Debbie. Where you are boss no Frimprince NDC ni. Also said here that Asamoah de MPP for nanti o di there with Frimprince production e chikra dia. And Osha mami Frimprince NDC ni intiabeya. Dan Asamoah so court no report you na ebeya de no onche omo so say omo use the Facebook and the YouTube account. Inti ya restrict omo from using that because eye shimpa chesen kofo kasa. Yenua ba custom B boate. So what triggered all this, Mr. Frimprince? Know that you guys have gone a long way, so whatever may be the case, it must be settled and makeable, please. I already commented here. On say you need full stop and you need comma. Obi a try no your. Or say, yenua ba boate so chere say No matter what it is, they have come a long way. 22 years in the production management and what thing. So they should consider a bit. What they are saying. Okay. Esther Agbosu say, Inti, you have posted this so that what? Because of you, I won't even listen to those songs again. Just on the other side, when I'm posting any it is our 9 songs na margin on no credit say kwa munti onti enum ni bio the obebo foforo no enu anu betie even though the other the head nso onu the establish onu the onye den ontie da I PK Amoah I say at least 20 years of working together. If there is termination, it shouldn't be this angry state. Well, Evangelist Dinah, you can now progress by grace. You have all the means to start your own brand. But God bless Mr. Frimprince for holding you for this years. Let's all put anger aside and bless him. Because without him, Evangelist Dinah wouldn't be known. Ow. Big Amoah Onyanko Ponsra. Comment I'm reading now. This was simple that goes for both sides. Big Amoah said, every baby here for 20 years, if there is a termination, it shouldn't be this angry state. Because send your papa Frimprince no. As for the buffo and I trust that statement about to social media page also. And I watch it say, I will then as someone say no man o here or wakadi ni now bet you starting your own production. Ghana for follow because Ghana Asamoah is the one we are looking up for, not Frimprince. Though Frimprince they no some for so kakra. But I say we are all dealing with Ghana Asamoah. And also just onyanko ponsu shira Frimprince because enyo no a nka ye hu Ghana Asamoah for all these years. It is shiranko on both sides. After all, let's say let peace remain. Ebusiafo I now way and amede Asamoah den ever. It should be a lesson to all of us. We are management na ofa obi to do with her. More share contract in here. And now we are artists. Now no matter the anger who come and now how we nim. Now we nim say what talent that we believe you give that. Who come manage and be making sure say management from time to time who send your over sign contract because the minimum say for some time football crown a boy on this contract. Over to mark for 3 years. 3 years now signing contract it be a common mostly management after 3 years social progress I won't make here. No new maintenance work as we be I send them they call deal no last 3 seasons me penisa say munye ni say sana management econ we show say this should be a lesson to all both artists and their management. Ebusiafo me amede dwumadi ebel me dey in the limo elikem kwame ameda ubetimi after me effocent na ya meje also on all social media platform you think the Xposed GH they say no Ghana and beyond. Ebusiafo akramo bye bye.
Onyadofo de na wo how de na wadwendwen de na wo kodan na edan e na wasiewie e na wo penchensen papa e de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo how no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda